Yes, children, we have next third concept. We'll see again third way how to construct a triangle. Construction of triangle when two angles and included side is given. So when we know the measure of two angles and the length of included side, how we can construct a triangle? Let's see with the help of one example. Here they are asking construct triangle PQR. If PQ is equal to 5 cm, measure of angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees and the measure of angle QRP is equal to 40 degrees. Here we know length of measure of two angles and length of one side. With the help of these measures, first we need to draw a rough sketch. First, let me draw one triangle. 105 degrees, more than 90. So it is, I think so, obtuse angle triangle. It is obtuse angle triangle. Let me draw one obtuse angle triangle. Now, what is the base? PQ. Here we know the length of only one side. So only the possibility that one side will take as a base. That one side will take as a base. So let me take here PQ is the base. PQ is the base. Now measure of angle PQR. It means middle letter will take the alphabet. Middle letter alphabet only will make the angle. Measure of angle PQR 105 degrees. Nothing but measure of angle Q is 105 degrees. Measure of angle Q. Sorry, angle Q is not 105 in rough figure. 1 minute. So it is rough figure only. Nothing will happen. So we'll draw like this better. We'll draw like this. It is not right angle triangle. Okay, we'll draw like this. Now here, what is the base? PQ. Base is PQ. The other alphabet is R. PQR is one triangle. So we know the length of only one side PQ. That one side only we consider as a base. Now measure of angle Q. This angle is 105 degrees. As it is the rough figure, so I am taking like this. Measure of angle R. Measure of angle R is how much? 40 degrees. Measure of angle R is 40 degrees. What is the measure of PQ? 5 centimeter. Measure of PQ is 5 centimeter. Now we need to draw a triangle. Children, you can see once our heading is two angles and included side. Sir, here they gave two angles, but the side is not included. You know properties of triangle. Once you recall the properties of triangle. Sir, we know angles of property of triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. With the help of that angles of property of triangles, when we know the measure of two angles, we can find the third angle. Once you know third angle, then two angles included side. Now you find the angle P by using angles of property of triangles. Let's write here angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to how much? 180 degrees. You can write the reason here. The reason is angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles. What is the angle sum property of triangles? Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Measure of angle P we don't know, right, as it is, and angle Q is 105 degrees plus R is 40 is equal to 180. So angle P plus 105 plus 40 we can write 145 is equal to how much? 180. Now angle P is equal to 180 plus 145 by transpose minus 145. Angle P is equal to how much, you know? 35 degrees. 140 plus 30, 170 plus 10, 180. Yes. Measure of angle P is 35 degrees. Now I got P 35 degrees. Yes. Now we know measure of two angles and the included side. So we can draw a triangle. Now first, let me draw a line segment whose length is 5 centimeters. By seeing this rough sketch, we will draw the main figure. Draw a line segment whose length is 5 centimeters by using the ruler. Now by using ruler, you can draw a line segment length of 5 centimeters. One dot at 0, other dot at 5 centimeters. So join these two, a line segment, and name the end points as P and Q. The length of PQ is 5 centimeters. Now by using this protractor from vertex P, you can draw a ray 35 degrees with PQ, which is above the PQ. From vertex Q you can draw an angle 105 degrees with PQ, which is above the PQ. So let me draw a ray from vertex P. Center of the protractor you can place on P, and the baseline you can adjust on PQ. Now we need to measure the angle from this side, not this side. Here is nothing. So we need to measure from this side. So from this side, I mean from right side, where I can see 0 beta? Bottom I can see 0. 0, 10, 20, 30. How much I want? 35 degrees I want. So 35 degrees. After 30, fifth line. After 35th line, you can place the dot and join the dot to vertex P. Join the dot to vertex P. You can join like this. Yes, now the angle P how much? 105 degrees. Angle P is 105 degrees. You can extend like this. Is the ray. After that, from vertex Q, you can draw one more ray which is 105 degrees. Now from vertex Q, we'll draw a ray which is 105 degrees. You can see better here now. Now we need to measure from this side. Here there is no line segment. We need to measure from this side. So we take from left side 0 now. So left side I can see 0 top better. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. How much you want? 105 degrees. 105 means after 100, fifth line better. After 100, fifth line you can take. Yes. Here 80, 90, 100. Here I can see 105 degrees. So there is the 105 degrees. Now you can join the dot from vertex Q. Join the dot at vertex Q. Not only up to the dot, more you can extend. It is the ray. Extend it. Now both the rays are intersecting. Name the intersecting point as R. So name the intersecting point as R. So here we took P 35 degrees and angle Q we took 105 degrees and measure of PQ is 5 centimeter. Now if you want, you can measure the angle R. So if you measure this angle R, should get 40 degrees exactly. Let me check whether we get 40 or not. Yes. Now let me check it is 40 or not. Yes, you can see from here you can measure 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Exactly I am getting 40. So measure of angle R is 40 degrees. This is the way we can construct a triangle when we know two angles and included side. So after the construction, we need to write the steps also, like how we did one by one. We need to write the process. First, we took a rough figure. So draw a rough sketch with given measure. What are the given measures? Two angles and one side. With the help of that, you can draw the rough sketch. Draw a line segment. Now, based on the rough sketch, we constructed the main figure. So first, what we did? We draw a line segment PQ with length 5 cm. Draw a line segment PQ of length 5 cm. After that, from vertex P, draw a ray making angle 35 degrees with PQ. From vertex P, draw a ray 35 degrees which is going to make angle with PQ, above the PQ. From vertex Q, you can draw a ray 105 degrees, angle making by PQ. Now both the rays are intersecting. So name the intersecting point of both rays as R. Now we can see triangle PQR is ready. So this is the way we can construct triangle when we know the measure of two angles and included side. So now let's see here last part, fourth part. You can see there. Construction of right angle triangle when length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. So as we all know, right angle triangle means one of the angle is 90 degrees. In a triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degrees, it is called right angle triangle. The side opposite of right angle, this side is called hypotenuse. What do we call it? Hypotenuse. The side opposite of right angle is called hypotenuse. And these other two sides are called two legs. Other two sides are called two legs of right angle triangle. So here, construction of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means indirectly we know one angle is 90 degrees. And also they are going to give the length of hypotenuse. They are going to give the length of hypotenuse. Right angle triangle given. From this both one length they are going to give. From this both legs they will give you length of any one leg, and also they will give you the length of hypotenuse. When you know one angle, right angle triangle 90 degrees, length of hypotenuse, length of one leg. How to construct a triangle? Let's see with the help of this example. Yes. To draw a triangle, first let me draw a rough figure, rough sketch. They said it is the right angle triangle. So let me take one right angle triangle here. Draw the right angle triangle. Sorry, desert right angle triangle. Let me draw one right angle triangle. Here I can see right angle which is 90 degrees. There is no name in the figure. Let me take here A, B, C. They said length of hypotenuse 6 cm. AC is called hypotenuse whose length is 6 cm. And one leg is 4 cm. You can take any one leg. From this AB and BC, length of one leg is 4 cm. Let me take BC is 4 cm. If I know the base, I can construct easily triangle. Sir, if suppose AB is 4 cm, what about base? They said one of the leg is 4 cm. You took BC leg is 4 cm. Suppose if I take AB leg is 4 cm, what is the length of BC? We have to find by using Pythagoras condition. So instead of that, I took the base as BC, which is 4 cm. Now with the help of that rough sketch, we will draw the main figure. So first, by using ruler, draw a line segment length of 4 cm. Now by using ruler, you can draw a line segment length of 4 cm. One point you can place at 0 and other point at 4 cm. Now join these two line segment whose length is 4 cm and name the end points as B, C. Now by using protractor, draw a ray which makes 90 degrees with BC side. From vertex B, you can draw a ray which makes 90 degrees with BC. Now from here we need to measure. Here nothing is measured. So from here if you want to measure from this side, I mean from right side we have 0 bottom. So bottom you can go up to 90 degrees. So here I can see 90 degrees. Now we can join those dot from vertex B. So let me join this. As it is the ray, you can extend and place the arrow mark at last. Now from vertex C, we need to draw a ray. So we need to draw an arc length of 6 cm. Now by using compass, take the compass, set the compass length of 6 cm on scale. Now by using this 6 cm length, draw an arc from vertex C. From vertex C, you can draw an arc whose length is 6 cm. Whose length is 6 cm. Now that arc and ray both are intersecting. Name the intersecting point as A. Children, can you tell me what next to get a triangle? Sir, to get triangle more, we need to join from A to C. Join a line segment AC. Now the required triangle ABC is ready. So angle B we took 90 degrees, AC 6 cm and BC we took 4 cm. Now we need to write the steps for this construction. Yes, now we will write the steps for construction. I wrote the steps here, you can see. First what we did, rough figure, based on that main figure. Draw a rough sketch with the given measure. What are the given measures? One angle 90 degrees and the given length of hypotenuse and also given length of one leg of right angle triangle. With the help of that, I draw one rough figure. Now draw a line segment BC length of 4 cm. From vertex B, draw a ray by making 90 degrees with BC, which is above the BC. We'll draw one ray which makes 90 degrees with side BC. From vertex C, draw an arc length of 6 cm. From vertex C, you can draw an arc length of 6 cm. Name the intersecting point of ray and arc as A. Here the ray and arc both are intersecting. So name the intersecting point as A. Then join A to C. Now triangle ABC is ready. So this is the way you can construct a triangle right angle triangle when we know length of hypotenuse and length of one leg of right angle triangle. Yes, this concept is clear to you. Based on this concept from exercise 10.4 and 10.5, try to complete the leftover problems in your classwork. Thank you once again. We will meet in the next class.